So this is the first example. And the truth is that if you remember anything about solving systems, you probably would look at that and say, I'm not going to solve this by substitution. I'm just going to add these two equations together. That will cancel one. That's called elimination. And we'll get to that. We're just using this as practice to do substitution. Right? So our first step of substitution was solve one of the equations for one of the variables. I mean, this case is really a take your pick. It doesn't really matter. Any preference here? In which equation? Solve for x here. We'll take the first one just because for no other reason. It's first. So we solve for x. We're going to get x equals 4 minus y. Okay, what do you do with that? Right, plug that in for x here. So that becomes 4 minus y equals 2. And then that's one equation with one variable, so you can solve. 4 minus 2y equals 2. Negative 2y equals negative 2. Y equals 1. Okay, what do I do with that? Yeah, the first step, we made the right place to plug that in after the first step. X equals 4 minus y, so x equals 4 minus 1, x equals 3. Okay, so if these represent lines in the plane, we just found that the intersection of these lines is the point 3, 1. Right, that's the most basic example of a substitution.